Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys another powerful boom and crash strategy that you can use to grow your small accounts. Okay. Alright, so I'm not going to be wasting our time with this video, okay, because this is kind of a strategy I shared yesterday on my channel, okay, but I want to share with you guys another method which you can use to trade with this strategy. This is the same strategy profitably. Okay, so in the last video I explained the way you can trade with this strategy. That in that video I explained a trend reversal. I explained to you guys how to detect a trend reversal with this strategy. Okay, so in that video I was explaining like maybe when a trend wants to change from a downtrend to an uptrend, how you can detect it and enter a trade so that you follow the changing of the trend, okay, so that you can catch the trend reversal. But in this one now I'll be explaining how to follow the trend with this one. Okay, this one is kind of a trend continuation strategy, right? I'll be showing you guys how to follow the trend with this strategy. Okay, so this is how you are going to do it. First of all, you want to notice the change of trend. Okay, so previously you can see from this area the price was in an uptrend, and the indicator here is like the histogram are facing up. Okay, now then from this area now you can see that it begins to change to the downside, right? Now this is how you are going to catch this kind of this is how you analyze it. Okay, this is how you are going to analyze and trade with this strategy. Now you can see we are in the 1 hour time frame. You can use the 4 hour and you can use the daily, whichever time frame you use that is good for you. That's the one you use to analyze. Okay, but it's good to analyze from the higher time frame. Now once you have come to the higher time frame, this is 1 hour, right? Once you detect that the trend has changed into a downtrend, it was previously an uptrend, then it now changed. Now the indicator is showing you that the trend has changed. You can see the way the crossing happened here. This yellow line crossed below this zero level here, and you can see this MACD line here. It also start facing down. So once you notice this thing immediately from the 1 hour time frame, what you are going to do is that you go down to the 5-minute time frame, right? You go down to the 5-minute time frame, and once you are in the 5-minute time frame, what you are going to be looking for only is going to be a let me mark the area it start going down from, so that we'll know what we are doing in the 5-minute time frame. All right, so this is the area it start changing from, right? And let's go down to the 5-minute time frame. All right, okay, so here in the 5-minute time frame now, you are only going to be looking for sell trades alone. Okay, now with this you know the direction of the market. Now you are not going to be confused. All right, whenever a setup is being given, you know where you are going, you know your direction already. Okay, so now we are only looking for sell opportunities, right? And this is how you are going to be getting the opportunities to sell. Now in this case, you can see price went up, got to the overbought level here. This is a first condition to notice. Now you are going to apply a little bit of price action with the help of our trend line. You can either mark it from this area like this, and you join 2 weeks in the market, you wait for a break out of this. You want to see a candlestick close below this, and then you take your sell, and you can either join it with this one. Like, let's say this is going to be the first one to do. In this case, this is going to be something like this. All right, make sure your trend line is not straight like this. Okay, you want to see it curve like this. This is a perfect one here. Now what you want to see is that you want to see that price close, the candlestick breaks and close below it. All right, so you can see this here, it closes below the trend line. Now what you do is that you go in immediately once you see that the candlestick has closed below it. You go in from this area, right? Then your stop loss is going to be above this area here, and then now you are going to be targeting for the where you started, and where you start drawing the trend line from. That's where you target, right? So you target for this area. Now you can see you enter from this area and you are holding till it gets to this area here, then you exit, right? And this is a win trade for us, right? If you apply it very well, this is a win trade. And you can see it's also a scalping strategy. With this method, you don't need to stay in the market for long, okay? You just get in and you get out. Right now you see market went up. As you can see, I already draw this. Market went up here, you wait for a break below it. Now you can see price, this candlestick broke below the trend line. Like I earlier explained, you enter from this area here. Your stop loss is going to be above the most recent structure, like this area here. You place it, you give it some space so that price can move freely, okay, so that it will not go and take you out and then continue to your direction, okay? So make sure you always give it that space. Now after doing that, you are going to be targeting for this area here, the beginning of the trend line, where you start drawing the trend line from. That's where you target, then you hold till it gets to that area. It's as simple as that, guys. So as you can see, you see the way I'm doing it, guys. So once there's a pullback, or once price go up, or any sign of counter trend, what you do is that you draw your trend line. You have already know the overall trend of the market is a downtrend, right? So once you see a counter trend, an uptrend like this, yours is to just mark it with your trend line, and then you wait for price to break below that, right? You can see here it broke below. You place your stop loss and you hold till it gets to this area, okay? So as you can see, you can see that with this, there's multiple opportunities in the market for you to grow your small account with this strategy, okay? So, and beside using the trend line, you can just trade based on this indicator. All right, for those of you that don't understand price action, you can just wait for it to get to the overbought level. Once it crosses below like this, you enter your sell and you hold till this yellow line gets to the oversold level, okay? So just watch the previous video I uploaded, the video I uploaded yesterday. You're going to see how I explain the strategy for you guys. Like if you want to catch the trend reversal, you see the way I explain it in that video, okay? And you also get the settings for this. You also get the settings for this video, because I'm not going to be uploading, I'm not going to repeat the setting in this video, okay? So just check the previous video. You are going to get the settings for this strategy so that you can set it up, okay? So I think that is going to be all for this one. What I want you guys to do now is to backtest the strategy and see for yourself if it's working or not, okay? So I think that is all. The zoom level, I already explained it in the other video, so do check it out. So before I go, I want to quickly remind you guys once more about the coming class, which I'll be hosting in my Telegram channel on the 5th of September next month, okay? So if you haven't joined the Telegram channel, do make sure you check the description of this video to join, okay? Don't miss this opportunity, guys. The class is free, you don't need to pay, okay? So do make sure you check the description and join the channel, all right? So I think that is going to be all for this video now. I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Silver out.